Apple cider vinegar can help scalp health, strengthen hair, and enhance the shine. Myself Pradeep Joshi, welcome in Fit Me PG, where we talk about the products and their ingredients. Today we will discuss about the use of apple cider vinegar in hair care. Studies show apple cider vinegar can help in dealing with hair issues like itchy scalp and hair breakage. Rich in several nutrients, apple cider vinegar remove impurities and dead skin cells on the scalp and improve hair growth. Here we discuss 5 benefits of apple cider vinegar in hair care. First is apple cider vinegar fight dandruff and scalp infection. Apple cider vinegar has potent antimicrobial properties that can prevent fungal infection. It exfoliates scalp naturally and prevents dirt from growing and accumulating on the scalp. Second benefit is it cleanses your scalp. Apple cider vinegar does a great job in cleansing scalp because it removes the debris and product buildup that are responsible for the clogging of the follicle that may cause the dandruff in the scalp. It may put your hair in a better position to able to grow. Regular rinsing with apple cider vinegar can reduce the hair loss and hair breakage. It balances the pH level of the scalp and treating the inflammation of the hair follicle. Third benefit is it treats frizzy, brittle and dull hair. Apple cider vinegar contains acetic acid that can help balance the pH of the scalp. If you have dull, brittle and frizzy hair, regular rinsing with apple cider vinegar can help. Studies show that healthy hair should be slightly acidic, but chemical, hair product and pollutants turn your hair alkaline. Fourth benefit is it makes your hair smooth and shiny. It seals the cuticle and provides a smoothie and glossy look to your hair. Fifth benefit is apple cider vinegar make your hair voluminous. It clears out excess oil, grease and dirt of the hair and provides a shiny and smooth look. Now we see the hair mask you must try. First, try apple cider vinegar and aloe vera gel hair rinse. Aloe vera gel has hydrating property. It can restore dry hair. Now we see how to make mask. In this remedy, you mix 4 teaspoonful apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoonful aloe vera gel. Mix well and apply this mixture on your scalp and hair. Massage it gently with your fingers and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water and dry softly. Second remedy is apple cider vinegar and essential oil hair rinse. Let me start making this remedy. First of all, you dilute your apple cider vinegar. Take 1/4 cup apple cider vinegar and mix it in 3/4 cup of water and add 3 drops of essential oil and spray this mix on your damp hair and scalp after shampooing. Leave it for 3 to 4 minutes and wash with lukewarm water. So you must try apple cider vinegar in hair care remedies. Thank you. Keep watching. Have a nice day.